g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a tiramisu overnight oats. So it's a little twist on an overnight oats. It's a two-parter. So we're basically going to take some oats and some chia seeds and we're just going to mix those together in a container. And then we're going to take I've got some almond milk, some vanilla and a little bit of maple syrup. We're going to pour that in. And then I have a little bit of coffee from my espresso machine. You can use instant coffee or a little shot. I'm just going to pour a little bit of that in. Depends how much coffee you like. And then we're just going to mix it all together and let it sit overnight in the fridge because it's going to expand. And then tomorrow we're going to come back and we're going to layer it in a container. It would have sat and expanded nicely together with the chia seeds and the milk and the oats. And we're going to layer it with some yogurt and I'll come back tomorrow and finish it up. So it's been sitting in the fridge overnight and it's firmed up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our mason jar and we're going to put some of the overnight oats in the bottom like this. And we're just going to layer it. So I'm going to put some in the bottom. I'm going to add some yogurt. I've got some plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to put that on the top. And then we're going to layer it some more. Like the rest. And we're going to top it with the yogurt. Sprinkle some cinnamon on the top. Tiramisu overnight oats. Enjoy!